Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I've got another unboxing. This one is by Envy. It is Harmony in the color Cinnamon Raisin. When the new Envy styles were launched, I placed a big order at Wig Studio One. Well, a big order for me because I ordered the 3. This one is Harmony. There it is. Oh, this is really pretty. This is a nice warm color. You know, before I show you the color, or before I show you Harmony, I just want to point out that Envy includes a take care card on all of the wigs. So you have all the instructions whenever you get an Envy piece on how to care for the specific fibers. In this case, this one is traditional fibers. I reviewed Emma. That one is a human hair and synthetic blend. And I reviewed Jolie, and that one is also a synthetic, just like Harmony. Beautiful packaging. Oh my gosh, this color is absolutely gorgeous. Cinnamon Raisin. This is a warm chestnut brown, and it's blended with auburn, like a medium auburn and some very light auburn, almost a strawberry blonde maybe, but it's very well blended. We don't have any chunky highlights here. If you like a nice warm brown with that it's blended so you have some dimensions, I think that you would love this color. I'm going to take off the tag. I think we'll be able to get a better idea of the color once we go outside. Okay, we have a lace front, all one piece with the left mono part. This is a nice sturdy lace front. I believe they call this welded. I'm not really sure. It is a little bit thicker than what we're used to. Right here we have the wefts with some lace material. There I'm not feeling any permatease on there. We have the felt covered ear tabs, and we have the fibers coming from the ear tabs. We have a non-extended nape, and we have pull type adjusters and a weft cap. It does have some stretch. If this is anything like the other 2 that I reviewed, I don't know if it's going to fit above a 22-inch circumference, but of course I have no way of gauging it. The only thing that I can tell you is that I have a 21.75 circumference. I have plenty of bio hair, and I'm wearing a cap and a wig grip. I leave the adjusters all the way out on the Envy caps to make sure that I get a good fit. I'm going to give it a shake. We're supposed to have nice flowing waves on Harmony. Definitely leans auburn. It almost appears like a dark auburn when I take a look at it up close. We'll see how it looks outside, but that's what it's giving me the impression when I take a look at it pretty close. Definitely a brunette, but definitely leaning dark auburn. All right, what we have here, right out of the box, it seems to have some very pretty textured waves, very flowy. Before I start messing with it, I'm going to do a spin so you can see Harmony on all sides. Let me tell you a little bit about the measurements. We have a front of 4.5 inches. My forehead is 2.5 inches. So as you can see, It's a pretty long bang for me. However, if you like bangs, you can certainly trim them. We have a crown of 12.5. We have the sides of 11. We have a nape of 11 and a total weight of 4.76 ounces. There is absolutely no permatease here. Maybe just a bit right here at the crown, and that could just well be to give it that little bit of a lift, but I'm not feeling anything heavy or pillowy at all. A little bit of permatease at the nape, but again, nothing major. As for the density, I think we have good volume here, but we don't have an exuberant amount of fibers here. So you're not going to have a feeling as if you're wearing a helmet. At least I don't feel that way. If you have Avalon or Finn by Estetica, I think that you would like this one, and you're going to have less density on Harmony than you find on Finn or on Avalon. I didn't do that part very well. Let's try that again. The part seems to be a little dense from what I could see. Yep, I've got to part it right where it goes, but it does seem a little bit dense. The other thing that I'm seeing is the lace front is a little bit, it's lifting on me. Not sure why. I've never had a wig do that before. It could be that I don't have it on tight enough. I'll add a little bit of water and see if that helps it. I'm just spraying a little bit of water. And let's see if that helps. Some It Stays would probably help with that lace front. And if you want to, I guess if I wanted to wear the hair, the fibers right off my face, I would have an issue with it. But I personally think it looks pretty that way. So just a little bit of It Stays, I think, would do the trick. As far as these curls are, the fibers feel really nice. They don't feel dry. They feel very soft, and the waves look really pretty. Very, very pretty waves. It has a nice length. Oh, let me show you the ear tabs. Very good coverage. If you have been with me, if you watch some of my videos, you'll know that not all the wigs that I show give me very good coverage because of my very low hairline. However, Harmony, here's just a little bit of my hairline that's showing, and here is the ear tab. So if you don't have this, you're going to have amazing coverage. It comes all the way, that ear tab is coming all the way down. It's not bothering me or anything, but I want to, again, point it out to you. So let's see, we want to wear it behind the ears. We can do that. Can certainly wear it back in a ponytail. We could also do a half up and half down with that great coverage. Of course, I would need to leave some fibers hanging down because of my hairline, but if you don't have that problem, you can certainly do a great half up and half down, and that would look really pretty as well. This style is for those that don't want very much permatease, don't want high density, want these soft curls, soft waves, textured, that, you know, you could just shake and go. Definitely, if curls and waves are something that you're looking for, I think that you would really like Harmony. If you like to wear your hair off your face, and this may not happen to you, it could have just been me, but in case it does, just know that you can add some It Stays to that lace front. You could also add the bangs, or you can wear it side swept. Has good coverage, and just really pretty feminine waves on Harmony. It's definitely a pretty style, and this color I think is absolutely gorgeous. That is what I really like about this wig. All right, let's take a walk outside so you could see Cinnamon Raisin out in the beautiful Florida sunlight, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.